Severn Sound playing today's best mix with the brilliant Prince and When Doves Cry. It's Chris Kaye, Saturday afternoon. And on the Entertainment Edge with Ryan Seacrest tomorrow, Desperate Housewives star Eva Longoria will be talking about her brand new film Over Her Dead Body. On the week that it's nominated for 7 Oscars on top of 14 BAFTA nominations, Atonement star James McAvoy will be in the studio. Plus, Ryan will have the latest reaction from Hollywood on the tragic death of Heath Ledger. Entertainment Edge with Ryan Seacrest on tomorrow afternoon from 2 o'clock. Get some Bootsy Love on for you in just a moment, and the number one song in Australia at the moment on for you next at Severn Sound.
The Sean Tilley Breakfast Show. With Brooklyn Toyota, Gloucester and Cheltenham. Get up, get out, get on a Toyota.
On Friday morning show, we heard from Ross Kemp, back from Afghanistan.
I saw one